That I got son? The creature sleeps. What is he gonna do now?
Pick up my paper.
The blue nose sits, wondering what's gonna happen to him. I have to set him off a little. You know how that guy talk? Can make him attack me. Whoa, cranky! Another blue. Whoa! Interesting. This is how they mate. One had to kiss another. Harmless one.
Oh, locate them. Hard what?
I had to set him off. He's very, very aggressive. Shiesty one.
Let's plan jail.
Whoa. How you doing? Can we go attack me, nigga? Get out the camera, leave me no white girl. Wow. See the jaws of this one? Large, eh? I have to open this nostril a little. Whoa! Huge teeth. Stink ass breath.